C3 is a unique partner and a strategic partner of Microsoft. We have a lot of customers who are really asking more from both of our companies to help them transform. If you look left to right across the platform, what you will see is the ability for C3 to really work across all of the legacy systems and any other kind of application a customer might want to deliver insight and value. The potential for AI, responsible AI, is to really change every person's experience on the planet for the better. Our missions, C3 and Microsoft, are so closely aligned. C3 is incredibly innovative. They're likely going to push you as a customer to think differently. We really see an opportunity to really help our customers transform much more rapidly with C3. You really want the collaboration between C3 and Microsoft with the partner, and we really see tremendous opportunity together with our customers.